Good evening. I wanted to share this hide scraping tool, and it's also a hide softening tool as well. I have a deer hide I want to tan, and it's quite large compared to other hides I've worked on, so I decided to make a proper tool for the job. I started with some tool steel that I already annealed. It was from a project from a few years ago. I shaped the pieces using my cutting disc and grinder and drilled 2 holes to attach it to a handle. I heated both pieces to critical and quenched them in oil. I used an old axe handle, and this is why I keep some scrap metal and wood kicking around for projects just like this. I made another handle, but I wasn't too happy with it. So after I'm done scraping the hide, I can switch out blades when it's time to soften it. This blade here has a very sharp edge, and this one is more like a ice skate where it has a burr on both sides here. So the hide still needs a lot more time to dry, but I can quickly show you how I will scrape it.